What I've done here is this is the bushing going in. I've lined up the hole, the grease nipple. I just piece off the brake kit. I have a 10mm long socket in here, and I'm catching off this, and it's going down between it and pushing it down. And it's just started to push in, so I'm going to keep going with that. I'm going to leave the camera on here because that light just came on and it's actually handy. Everything back on there now again. The camera stopped recording halfway through. That's the top one. That's the bear in there. So that's the grease nipple there. So when I grease that, it like sends it up and down. But on the bottom here, that bearing needs to get greased from that grease nipple. So you need to make sure that you see the small bit of rubber down here at the bottom. That's like a seal onto this bottom bit of the hub. Like on top is just flat steel. So when I grease that, the grease goes up there. That seal holds it in and pushes grease into the bearing. So you grease the bearing. If you have it turned around the other way, it's a steel top. So no grease can get into the bearing, and that bearing will wear. See that grease nipple now, there's a grease coming back out of it. They need to be changed. And that red paint didn't come off. I've been scrubbing that with fucking thinners and it didn't come off. That's it done now. I'm just going to put the wheel back on. It's 2.5 hours that took me. It was not too bad.